What's going on? It's boy TK here, back with another video. Been wanting to film one of these for a long time, but it's finally happening today. You already know what this is. This no further introduction. Known as Godzilla. The R35 Nissan GTR. There's a backstory behind this car. Alright everybody, this is my buddy Ryan. Again, this is a GTR. Ryan.
Hello.
What I want to ask you this. What got you into liking the R35 Nissan GTR? What got you sparked into this series?
So I always had Nissan 300ZXs in my mid 40s now, and I've had them for over 20 years. This was kind of just the next logical step, I want to say. I got it back in 2017, so it was before the new Z. It was during the 370Z era. So this is my pride and joy. This is the one that kind of took my heart away.
Absolutely. And this is a car you always wanted, even though you already familiar with Nissan Z cars. But I'm a big fan of the Z's as well. But you know what? I'm also a fan of these too, especially from the Skyline era. So Ryan, what modifications done to the GTR?
So it's what they call full bolt-on, which is a intake, exhaust, a tune. It's got an E85, well, flex fuel tune, so it can do either E85 or 93 octane or any mixture in between.
Okay.
No internal mods to the engine or anything like that.
Oh, so it's the stock bottom end.
Yep, still the stock bottom end, stock transmission.
Okay.
Both the engine and the transmission have tunes on them though.
All right.
It's about 650 at the wheels.
Ooh.
Is average typically.
Mm-hmm.
So the next logical step, it's got injectors too. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. The next logical step is the upgraded turbos and intercoolers.
Awesome, man. You gonna definitely wake this car up even further than what it already is. Looking forward to it, man.
Yeah.
Ryan, man, appreciate you giving me a ride in your GTR today. I really do. It's a little bit gloomy out here, cloudy, but you know what? It's not raining, so we'll take that. Oh shit! God damn! Ryan, man. Hey, that was a nice ride along today. Finally got an R35 GTR on the channel. I do appreciate that, man.
I enjoyed it.
Yes, sir, man. You know what? I'm gonna wrap it up. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.